This is an estimation question. It says by rounding each number to 1 sig fig, estimate the answer to, and the original question is 3.65 squared minus 9.99 all divided by 0.202. Now the first thing, and it tells you what to do in this question, is round each number to 1 sig fig. So first of all, the 3.65, that becomes 4, so it's 4 squared. The 9.99, the 1 sig fig, that will round to be 10. And the bottom line, the 0.202 just becomes 0.2. So we're going to sort this out and see what we get. So then, if we go on with this, then this is going to be the same as 4 squared, first of all. 4 times 4 is 16, minus the 10. Bottom line is still 0.2. Sort this out again. The top line is just 6 divided by 0.2. Now there's a few ways we can do this, but the easiest way to do it, dividing by decimal, is multiply both numbers by 10 to get rid of the decimal on the bottom line. So that becomes 60 divided by 2, and 60 divided by 2 is just 30. And that is it. That's how we get our answer.